Hello and welcome back to Budget Me and Co. Cash Stuffing for the month of July. Today we will be doing our budget for this month, and we have a total of 3,148 for this month. And then for our cash stuffing binders, we have a total budget of 1,140, although I only have 1,115 in cash with me. So we'll see where we get to. So yeah, let me just show you very quickly what our monthly budget includes. So we have fixed expenses of mortgage of 950, mortgage overpayment plus life insurance of 150, household expenses of 555, personal loan of 172. Then work related budget, we have union fee of 17, professional registration of 12, and for car we have 350. Then for subscriptions we have Google One, £2. For the printer we have $5.99, contact lenses for the daughters 27, and for my glasses is 10. For the checkered binders we have high and low priority binders, we have a total of 115, birthday binders of 90, groceries 555, no this is, oh yeah, okay, 555. Car binder is 140, and Christmas 105, challenges of 5. Then savings we have 75, ISA of 135, investments of 100. Then we have 2 acrylic binders of Sweet 18, £90 in total, and Class of 2028 of £40 every month. Then we'll go this side of our budgeting sheet. We have the cash binders tracker, and so high and low priority binder, we have home insurance of 30, emergency of 10, dental 20, glasses of 10, few savings of 5 and £10. Groceries week 1 to 4 is 100, so total of 400 for a family of 4, which is 2 adults, no actually 3 adults and 1 teenager. Takeaway of 60, toiletries of 50, cats food of 45, total of 555. Then we have the birthday binder, which I'm saving £20 for each person, and then £10 for the cake. Savings challenges, we have 6 challenges, but at the moment, actually we finished challenge 1 and 2, so that's why I put X on it. And then we are currently doing challenge 3. I'm only doing 5 every month. So yeah, 1 challenge at a time. Then we have the acrylic binders, the car binder, which includes road tax, car insurance, road tax of 15 every month, car insurance of 35, fuel of 80, and then maintenance of 10. Then lastly, our Christmas binder, food and drinks of 20, and then gift for everyone is 20 each. And then finally, decorations of 5, total of 105. So total budget for the cash binders tracker is 140 pounds, but as I said, we only have 1,115 pounds in cash today, so we'll see. So I'm going to put this away and put it in front of me so I know what I'm doing. Just 2 seconds. So yeah, can you still see? No, you can't see my budget anymore, but I've already explained that to you. So let's begin with, shall we do groceries? Get it out of the way. Right. So this is our groceries binder. Okay, so we are on week 1. My husband did my groceries for week 1, and he only did like 39 pounds. He only spent 39 pounds, so I still have to do half of the groceries. So yeah, for week 1, since he spent 39, shall we say 40, round it off to 40, so we still have 60 to put for week 1. So 20, 40, 60. Okay, so we're meant to put £100 every week, and as I said, this is for a family of 4. Week 2 is another 100. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Week 3 is another 100, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100. Week 4, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100. Okay. Then takeaway, what did we say for takeaway? We have 60. 20, 40, 60. We're spending quite a bit of money for takeaway. So I try to budget it wisely, but I'm not doing very well with takeaways. But yeah, we'll try our hardest. Toiletries, we are saving £50. 20, 40, and 10 is 50. And cat food is 45. 20, 45. And back to bank, we have quite a bit of money to go back to bank, but we'll leave it there for now. Right, so we've done that. Next binder is the car binder. Okay, let's see. Right, so for car binder, you can see, let me just double check that you can see. Right, car binder, we are starting off with road tax of 15. By the way, guys, we have trackers for every envelopes, but as you know, I don't actually color them in while I'm doing the video because it takes a long time to dry and I don't want to ruin my envelopes and trackers, so I normally do it after the video. So if you don't see me marking it, please know that I will do at the end of the video. It's just I don't want to ruin it. So for car tax, we have a budget of 15. Oops, it's flying away. Right, so let me just put that. So 10, and we don't have a fiver, as you can oh yes, we do. So we have that, so I'm gonna put 20, put the 5 back, and there you go. Right, car insurance, 35. Right, so do we have a fiver here? No, we don't, so we're gonna use that. 35. For fuel, we normally save 80, so 20, 40, 60, 80. So we still have money from last month which we didn't use, so we'll leave it there. And today is first week of July is fuel day, so we're gonna spend 40 for that, and then the other 40 is half the month. Or last month we didn't really spend our 40 quid, so it's still there. So we are managing our fuel very efficiently, so well done to me. And now for maintenance, we're saving 10, and that is our car binder. Right, so next is shall we do high priority binder? Right, so high priority binder is this checkered binder in mauve, which is my favorite color. So yeah, let's do this. So high priority, we have emergency fund. Okay, from last month I think I've mentioned that I was doing a renovation for a summer house, and just to quickly recap, I have saved a total of 900. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 900. Supposed to be 1K, but I ran out of time, so 900 went into the summer house budget, which I'll spend 2,800 for that. and half of it was paid by my husband, so 1,400 each. And because I've only saved 900, the 500 came from my savings, which is fine. At least we can use our summer house again and not just a dumping ground. So yeah, I'm very pleased with that. So today we are starting all over again. So we are saving. Emergency fund is, I'm a bit lost. Yeah, £10. Okay, so 10. Next one is home insurance, is 30 pounds. So that's home insurance. And let me just see how much home insurance have done. Okay, so we've just renewed our home insurance. So yeah, we are slowly saving again for that. Glasses, we are saving. I have few cash in here, but I'm just gonna leave it there because I have a new direct debit for my daughter's contact lenses, which is costing me £27 a month, but we'll see how it goes. And then for my own glasses, I'm paying £10 a month, so a total of 20. I think I've done it wrong. So glasses, I've only actually no, because of the direct debit, it goes out of my account. So I don't think I'm gonna be putting 10 in here, or shall I? Okay, let's put 10 anyway. That's what I've said, £10, and then let's leave the direct debit as it is. And then dentist is 20. Then we have savings of 5. If I have a fiver, yes, we will do it. Otherwise, yes, I have a fiver, so let's put 10 in here. Then another bank of 10. There we go. That's our high priority binder done. Right, so next one is just checking that you can see still all our binders. Okay. So that's the one we've done. These are the ones that we need to do. Right, so we are on birthday binder. So let's do this birthday binder. We are saving 20 pounds each for per person, but the cake we are saving 10. So birthday cake is 10, and then 20 pounds each. Daughter's gift is 10. Son's gift is 10. I'm nearly done with my son, I think. His birthday is coming up soon, so yeah, I have saved 20, 40, 60, 80, 100, 20, 40, 60, 80, 180 plus 20. Today is 200, so we're nearly done. Yep, hubby's gift is 20, and then for mine we are doing also 20. Okay, so that is our birthday binder, guys. Right, next one is, shall we do Christmas? White Christmas it is, yeah? So I swapped my red binder for this one because my checkered binders doesn't come in red, so I've chosen this white. Actually, it's a cream binder, which I really like because, you know, the colors of my envelopes and dashboards really popped in. So yeah, for a change, we'll do White Christmas. We'll call it White Christmas, even though it's not white, it's cream Christmas. Okay, so festive fees we are saving, let me double check, 20. Right, so that, just checking, yeah. And then we have presents for everyone is again 20 each. Daughter's present is 20. Son's present is also 20. Then hubby, 20. What else? Decorations. Did we budget for that? Yes, apparently £5. Okay, so that's our Christmas binder done. Right, next is the challenge binder. Right, so let me just show you. This is our challenge binder. This is one of my second favorite color, which is the mint one. It's actually sage, which is kind of a subtle green. I really like it. Anyway, so savings challenge, we have challenge 3 because we've done challenge 1 and challenge 2, and we've reallocated that money into somewhere useful. Okay, so challenge 3 we are doing, let me see, I'm dreaming of cupcakes. So we have saved 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50, 55, 60, 65, 70, 75 we've saved in total, and today we are doing 5. Yes, putting 10. So yeah, nearly done. Two more months to go, and we will save £90 in total, which is not bad. And then we are going to start challenge 4, which is the witch's brew. Okay, so that's our challenge binder done. And now lastly we are going to do our acrylic binders. Okay, let me just double check. Okay, acrylic binders, which is the class of 2028 for my son. We are saving £10 each. So yeah, let's do that. Suit and style, we have 10. Dinner venue, we have 10. Cups and gowns, another 10. And finally, for keepsakes, we are doing 10. And that is our class of 2028 acrylic binder. Right. Last acrylic binder to do, which is the Sweet 18 for my daughter. So yeah, so this one has got 9 envelopes, which I'm saving 10 each. So let's do these very quickly. Masquerade Magic 10, Sweet Garden, Secret Garden, sorry, 10. Grand Reveal 10. Invitations in Disguise is 10. Pink Princess Wardrobe is 10. Mask Delights 10. Piece of Cake is 10. Keepsakes of the Night 10. And then finally the final touch is 10. And that is our Sweet 18 binder. Right, and we have again a leftover of 45, so that is just going to back to bank. Yeah, let me just double check how much did I put on the week one of our groceries, just to double check that I put not £100 because we've already saved. Yeah, okay, so we're done, and the leftover money will just have to go to the back to bank. And so yeah, that is the end of our video for this month, and I hope you continue to support me, please, and I'll see you on the next one. Have a great day, and thank you for watching. Bye.